3x minus 2y. So the first term is 3x, and the second term, let's just call this a and b. And the reason I call it a and b is because when we actually talk about binomial theorem, the expansion, we just actually write it in the form a plus b to the n. So our b is negative 2y. Okay, it's to the exponent 5, which means that there are going to be 6 terms. So let's go 5 choose 0, 3 to the x to the 5, negative 2y to the 0. Okay, 5 choose 1, 3x to the 4, negative 2y to the 1. 5 choose 2, 3x to the 3, negative 2y to the 2. I'm going to carry on down here. 5 choose 3. 3x to the, so we're at 3, 2, negative 2y to the 3, 5 choose 4, 3x to the 1, negative 2y to the 3, 4, 4, and then 5 choose 5, we have 3x to the 0, and we have negative 2y to the 5. Okay. Let's simplify as much as we can. So 5 choose 0 is 1. 5 choose 1 is 5. 5 choose 2 is 10. And then this is symmetric. So it's 10, 5, 1. We know that this goes away to 1, and this goes away to 1. So that's good. Now let's start to solve. Okay, what's 3 to the exponent 5? I get 243 x to the 5. And then times 1 times 1. So that one's done. Now what's 3 to the exponent 4? I get 81 x to the 4. So 81 x to the 4. But then we have times negative 2y. And I'm going to put a dot there for times because then we're not mixing up the x and the multiplication sign. Okay. Oh, and then this is times 5. Okay, so we have 10 times, what's 3 to the 3? I get 27. 27x cubed. And then we have, this would be 4y squared. Okay, and this is again 10 times what's 3 squared? I get 9, and then the squared's just on the x now. And negative 2 to the exponent 3, I get negative 8y cubed. And then plus 5 times 3x times negative 2 to the 4 is negative 16, y to the 4. Plus 1 times 1 times, what's negative 2 to the 5? Oh, sorry, this was positive. I get negative 32 y5. Okay, one more line. Let's totally simplify. There we go. Okay, we get 243 x to the 5. What's 5 times 81 times negative 2? I get minus 324. We want to leave the x to the 4 and the y. Now what's 10 times 27 times 4? 1080 x to the 3 y squared minus 10 times 9 times 8 minus 720 x squared y cubed plus 5 times 3 times 16, 240 x y to the 4, and then the last one is minus 32 y to the 5.